Namaste. My name is Edson. I'm from Brazil, and I came here with my family. After practicing yoga for 5 years, I decided to deepen into my practice and come to the root of yoga. And everybody here is lovely. They really received us very well, me and my wife and my son, and that makes us feel very, very well received. And we had such a great time here. We deepened into our practice, and becoming a yoga teacher was a dream of mine, and be able to share with my family, my son, my wife. It's the best thing we could have done. Let's say namaste. Thank you, Vinyasa Yogashala, for everything. Namaste.